let's move to the third types ya, tapi namanya adalah second conditional. Second conditional itu apa? Nah, kalau yang tadi zero itu general truth, kalau yang first itu yang in the future but possible. Nah, kalau yang second conditional ini agak beda karena this type of conditional sentence describes an unreal situation with regard to the present or future. Jadi situasinya tuh nggak real, mau sekarang mau di masa depan gitu ya. A hypothetical condition that can only be fulfilled in the theory. Jadi ini tuh kalau yang tadi yang first itu yang mungkin, ini kayak nggak mungkin gitu. Jadi kayak mengandainya tuh terlalu luas gitu ya. Kalau aja aku punya uang banyak, aku mau tinggal di Mars. Sulit kan itu ya. Mungkin bisa possible tapi it's very hard. Nah, kalau misalnya kalian mau bikin second conditional, it's quite easy. You just need to make the main part and if part atau main clause and if clause. Tapi bedanya kalau di second conditional ini main clause-nya kalian harus menggunakan would. Kalau tadi will, sekarang would plus infinitive. Sama ya, verb one without s or s. Jadi would plus infinitive. Nah, in the part of if clause itu harus pakai past simple. Masih ingat kan ya, past tense verb to ya. Jadi subject plus verb to. Contohnya seperti apa? Seperti ini ya. Sama ya sebenarnya. Kalau types of conditional yang mana aja, if you put the main clause first, then you don't need to use a comma. But if you put the if clause first, then you have to put a comma after the if clause. Clear? Okay, so these are the examples. The first example, we would stay at home if it snowed. Tapi masalahnya ngomong ini tuh di Indonesia ya nggak mungkin bersalju gitu kan ya. Jadi kayak ini agak sedikit tidak mungkin gitu ya. Jadi we would stay at home if it snowed, tapi nggak mungkin. Mau sekarang mau in the future because you are talking that in Indonesia misalnya. Nah, atau second example, I would buy a new board if I had money. Atau I would buy a new house if I had more money. Tapi ya in the present or in the future kalian sudah tahu bahwa it is something that is quite impossible karena misalnya ya gajinya segitu-gitu aja gitu ya misalnya, jadi it's very hard for you to buy a house gitu ya. Jadi kayak mengandai-andai yang sulit untuk dikabulkan. Oke. Nah, kemudian yang selanjutnya ya, if he were rich he would buy an island, but in fact he is not rich and it's very hard for him to be rich. Yeah, maybe even though it's possible, but I think he should work very hard gitu ya. Nah, kalian bisa baca contoh selanjutnya sendiri ya. Just imagine that you are traveling and then you go to a sea or an ocean and then you go diving and then you can look at this beautiful picture under the sea, right? Here I have an example of sentence. If I had lots of holidays, with I'm not having lots of holidays. It's barely, I hardly have holiday ya. Nah, kira-kira apa nih yang akan jadi main clause yang diandai-andaikan? Oke, misalnya seperti ini ya. If I had lots of holidays, I would go diving in an ocean. But in fact, I'm not. And it's very hard for me to get lots of holidays. Okay? Paham ya? Jadi yang second conditional. Nah, the last one, third conditional sentence. Kalau yang zero tadi udah general truth, yang first adalah untuk something possible in the future or in the present, and then the second is something quite impossible, and then the third one it's more on regrets. Ya, penyesalan kalian. Coba aja aku gini, pasti aku nggak gini. Nah, jadi kalau ini kaitannya kepada past ya yang sudah terjadi. So, type 3 conditional sentence are used to express situations that cannot exist, such as actions or events that happened in the past. They are often used to indicate a missed opportunity. Jadi kalau yang second tadi quite impossible, tapi kalau berusaha keras banget itu mungkin bisa. Tapi kalau yang ini sesuatu yang memang sudah tidak mungkin dan tidak ada karena ini terjadi in the past gitu ya. Kayak kalau misalnya bilang, coba aja kemarin aku belajar, pasti aku dapet nilainya bagus. Nah, kayak gitu. Kalau misalnya kalian mau bikin kalimat kayak gitu, kalian bikinnya yang third conditional. Gimana cara bikin third conditional? It's quite easy. Kalau di bagian main clause, kalian harus menggunakan would plus have plus verb 3. Kalau di bagian if clause, you use past perfect. Past perfect itu adalah subject plus had plus verb 3. Clear? Nah, contohnya seperti ini. If you hadn't been late for work, the boss wouldn't have gotten furious. Berarti sekarang bosnya gimana? Bosnya marah. The boss is furious because of him, because of his lateness. Ya, jadi kayak dia, coba aja kamu tadi tuh nggak telat, pasti bos tuh nggak marah-marah sekarang. Berarti faktanya bosnya tuh marah-marah sekarang gitu. Jadi dia cuma mengandaikan yang sebaiknya, penyesalan gitu ya. Nah, main clause-nya yang mana? Oke ya, the boss wouldn't have gotten furious. Itu main clause-nya. Kalau if-nya ya yang ada if-nya ya. Another example, they would have finished earlier if the meeting hadn't been held so late. Mana main clause-nya? Ya, they would have finished earlier. Coba aja mereka coba aja meetingnya tuh nggak telat-telat banget. Pasti aku udah pulang duluan, pasti aku pulangnya lebih awal. Tapi faktanya meetingnya telat beresnya, jadi nggak bisa pulang lebih awal. Jadi it's more on regret on something that had happened in the past, and you cannot change anything. You just express your expressions gitu ya. Nah, kalian bisa baca contohnya yang selanjutnya. Oke, nah di sini Bunda punya another great picture. It is a mountain and with lots of snow. Yeah, just imagine that you can go there right now. Ooh, how great it is. Nah, contohnya kalau misalnya Bunda punya if clause kayak gini. If I had won the giveaway, kira-kira apa yang akan terjadi selanjutnya? Berarti dia menang giveaway-nya nggak? Nggak ya. If I had won the giveaway, I would have been here since yesterday. Coba aja aku udah menang loterinya. Pasti aku udah di pegunungan yang ada banyak esnya ini dari kemarin. Tapi faktanya gimana? Ya, faktanya dia sekarang lagi kerja, lagi bikin video gitu ya. Karena nggak menang lottery, nggak menang giveaway-nya, jadi nggak punya tiket gratis buat ke sana gitu ya. So it seems like the person is regretting about that gitu ya. Coba aja gitu. Oke? Sudah puas berandai-andainya? Nah, kalian bisa berandai-andai sendiri. Try to use this expression, try to use these types of conditional sentence by yourself, so that when you would like to imagine about something, you want to make a conditional sentence, you are able to do that. Okay? Well, yep, that is the end of our lesson. Well, thank you so much for listening. I hope that some of my pictures can heal your boredom so that you can recharge your energy and continue your activity. Okay? So thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.